doubt, and as you kept me out, I wouldn't let you go. I rushed to your defense, though nothing made much sense. So much I didn't know. But I can't face my life without you, and now I know the whole truth.
Hello traders, welcome to episode 272 of TME Trade. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and for that I'm always grateful. Alright, oh, sorry. My bad, dude. Looking at something else. Okay, 1G project, oh, for you, man. Okay, started the show with VCE because it's so important, man. Dude, this thing is like lagging out right now. Okay, thank you. Alright. So, here's Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. Bearish cipher. We broke out bearishly of the upsloping equidistant channel. Formed some sort of broadening top pattern, right? Two diverging trend lines. But on the way down, we formed a bear pole bear flag. That's really what the swing low turned into. It manifested into a really scrubby retrace, where we retraced like I think 23% of the way. That's it. It didn't even hit a 38% retrace before selling off again, which is crazy. So if we are to respect the TA, a prevailing bearish trend with a bear pole bear flag, so you have higher percentage chance of it being reliable. A measured move would put you 3274, excuse me. And really, I mean, we're so freaking close to our second target of the bearish cipher pattern, with your first one being the 382, second one being the 618, and your third one being the 1272, if you can get there. All right, bearish trends, you got a higher chance of hitting this third target. Okay, but hey, man, everything's crazy, man. Everything's gonna go to a billion, we know. Okay, so I talked about this flag last night. It just wouldn't make any sense to me, even though it could happen where we break to the upside. It just doesn't make sense because you're staring in the face of a bearish pattern. All right, breaking out of a nice move to the upside that lasted from the 15th to the 24th. All right, 9 days, pretty nice little run. We were able to take advantage of it. Okay, so hopefully you did too. There were all the signs in the world indicating that a big move to the upside was coming, and it came. That's what she said. All right. But it's over now. It's over, and we're looking for lower prices. Don't know if we'll get it. Okay. All right. It's a pretty swift analyses, man.
VJ doing things.
What? What is this?
Check out the images from the power plant explosion in NYSE tonight. My brethren have arrived.
Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. Are you serious? I'm trying to find out. Dude. 51 minutes ago. Yeah, dude, look at this, y'all. Dude, Batman Boy, thanks for the $20, and thanks for invading Earth, man, with your brethren. Thanks so much, dude. Alright, look at this. Alright, skylights. Lights up bright blue after Queen's power plant explosion. What is this, man? Huge explosion and fire at a New York power plant. Wait, a huge explosion and a fire, yeah, have turned the sky above parts of the city bright blue-green. Oh, many Manhattanites were stunned when the sky over parts of Queens started to glow a bright neon blue shortly after 9 p.m. on Thursday night. That's crazy, man. Oh, wow. It almost looks like daytime, right? At least a cloudy afternoon. Dude, so there was a brief electrical fire at our substation, which involved some electrical transformers and caused a transmission dip in the area. Okay. So I guess they don't have any kind of source for what caused the malfunction, right? They're saying they're still looking into it. Dude, Batman Boy, this is super scary. And look how cool it looks on screen, man. You can't even see my face, man. Oh my god. Holy crap. Does it make noise? Probably is no noise. That mean, boy, did y'all create noises? Do y'all have noisy alien spaceships, or do you just have you know, regular scrub spaceships, man? That have a lot of noise. Okay, let me know. Thanks. Oh yeah, look, more aliens. Look, there's more aliens this way, dude. They're sneak attacking, dude. Yep, that's right, man. Super Saiyans are here, dude, with Batman Boy. That's pretty cool, dude. My overlay. It's like, it's balling, dude. Very cool. All right, man. That was the New Year's show. Congratulations. Wow, dude. That really was super cool. All right, man. What's up, Zed Zerbs? Kyver Crypto, Erwin Kyver Crypto, drinking some more Kangs, dude. Kangs blend. What's up, Atlant Cap? Oh, hey, Rimlog, dude. Or Matt A. Antonucci. Jeremy says, may we all escu rectitude on this night, Jeremy, man. Yes. Yes, dude. What's up, Maragnis? Welcome, dude. Hey, Lee P. Roll Mike 78, 1G Project. Can we do 100 before I arrive, dude? Nah. What was the record again? Well, not the cheating record where you had a head start for 3 hours. What's up, John Laura, dude? Yeah, man. It's awesome. We were able to raise $108, man. Just because of you, man. Just because of you. All right. So I want to say that's all John Laura recommending it, saying, and he can't. It's a cool idea, man. It's a really, really cool idea. Ethereum looks like it's in a falling wedge. Makes you a little nervous, Lee P, man. Why would you be nervous, man, of a falling wedge? Isn't that a good thing? I don't know the context. What's up, Mile High Freedom, dude? Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto's here. Oh my God, man. Welcome, welcome. Where's Bitcoin going to, Mr. Nakamoto, man? Well, we think at least 35, 37. This has been discussed for some time now with us breaking down, okay? Once we broke this channel, I mean, look, the bear cyber show is so perfect, dude. First target, second target, third target. Is that where you've been, dude? Been, like, literally plotting the scourge of the
Sure,
NYSE?
sure. A power plant explosion caused the entire NYSE sky to light up for several minutes. Non-aliens, no way.
Dude, I just don't understand. How does that happen? Like, conspiracies aside, do we listen to the news outlets that tell us this? Probably the government telling the news outlets to tell them, everyone else that? Or do we go ahead and say it is Vet Moonboy? See, Vet Moonboy is a little pissed off because Vet Moonboy has pride, dude. He hath pride, and they're not giving him credit where credit's due. And that's going to make Vet Moonboy even more enraged. And he might be coming for more cities. He might be coming for Los Angeles. Okay, so must be careful. Must be careful to not enrage Vet Moonboy and all his space compadres or something. Okay, thanks, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, Rimlog's in the house, man. In the who's. Coach K, we saw it, man. I guess we're talking about it now, right, man? Vandy versus Baylor is a fun game. 21-17.5. Yeah, evidently the over already got hit, didn't it? Crazy, man. Hey, Tyler Hill. Welcome back. 11-11. Yeah, I guess that was the time at the time. Hope you made a wish. And it was good things for everyone. Hey, Joe Ray. What's up, Joe Ray? Oh, my God. That's cool, dude. Welcome. My brother with the same surname. Excellent, dude. Excellent. Holy crap. What's up, Catherine Justice? Mr. Gordeski. Thank goodness you're here, man. Okay. Hello, Casey Winningham. So, oh, now I'm getting to the comments on the actual sky. This is great, man. Set up the fib on Ripple. Okay. Mr. Gordeski has been discussed in here multiple times, but I understand, like, if you weren't here, that's completely fine. Okay, the rule about Fibonacci. Finding your anchor point 1 and 2 from your swing low to swing high or swing high to swing low. When in doubt, when you don't know, when you see a bunch of miniature swing lows, swing highs, go to the daily. The discernible swing high that you can tell, the previous discernible swing high, you can tell. Like, for instance, all right, we will go to Ripple real quick to give an example. So a little bit of education. Why not? Okay. Simple enough, right? So it's like, hey, man, you can clearly see. All right, let's get rid of this. Let's just say, hey, man, how do we fib this? How do we fib for targets? We're about to break out of this channel, which was a Patreon trade setup, right? All right, man, there's a swing high here. I see a swing high here and here. I don't know, man, which one should I use? This one looks pretty good. Well, you don't know. Go to the daily. Go to the daily, Gordeski, man. Sounds like a movie. Gordeski goes to the daily. Box office hit. Alright, man. You can clearly see there's no discernible swing high until here, right? This is the only discernible swing high you have on the way down, right? And that's what will protect you from getting wrecked on fibbing wrong. Okay, the market interpretation from your high to your low. There it is, man. And what did we do? We know our fibs, our retraces, our shallow retrace to the 236, our moderate retrace at 382 to 50%, our golden retrace at 618, and that's what we hit. And we never saw those prices again. For now, anyway. All right. On the daily, bouncing off the 20 MA. Still in positive momentum territory, right? But, whatever, man. Bearish inside bar or bearish Harami has manifested into multiple more days of selling. All right. Cannot see any kind of broadening bottom pattern here on the daily. It's not even real. Okay. So, just looks like a lower high than your previous highs for now. All right. Gordeski, man. Hope that helps. Okay. And remember, just one more rule about fibs. You always treat fibs like you're reading English. Left to right. Left to right. Never fib from right to left, man. Sports fan.
Would you say that Kyler Murray and the Sooners are America's team heading into Saturday? Troll Tide.
Bow to your sensei!
No. I'm sorry. I know you beat Texas in the championship game, but you lost to Texas. Okay, you lost to Texas this year. And where's your defense? Your defense is ranked like 120 in college football. There's only like 130 something teams, and you're like, I think some of your like defense, like whether it's your rushing or passing, is ranked 120th. So that is unacceptable for a defense. But hey, man, we're gonna put to the test these high octane offenses. Seldom do they win title games. Seldom without some sort of formidable defense. All right. So you know, is Oklahoma just gonna randomly show up today or on the 29th? And stop Bama's offense, the best offense in the country, #1? Or will the same old story go where we get a shootout? And the question is, hey, can Bama's defense that's much, much better than Oklahoma's defense stop Kyler Murray and his high-octane offense? Well, I think what should happen is Bama should use the Kirby Smart method. What Georgia did to us, we should do to Oklahoma. Okay, methodical, run the ball down Oklahoma's throat. Time of possession battle, just win it. Keep Kyler Murray off the field. Make him make a few mistakes, a few series of 3 and outs or something. And that's the way. That's the road to the way Bama could win that game. So anyway, sorry, didn't mean to get too much in that. Curious sports fan, thanks for the $20, man. Thanks, dude. Oh, yeah, more than that.
Yeah. But don't you think 90% of America will be rooting with Sooner Nation, though?
Oh, of course, man. Dude, I think 90 is you're being generous, man. What 10%? Who? Like, well, all right, what's the percentage of Alabama fans, right? Out of all of sports fans, curious sports fan. It's probably got to be like 0.01% or 0.05% or something very, very insignificant. So I'm curious to see why you say it's only 90%. Thanks, dude. Much friggin' love, man. Oh my god. Hey, you're chipping away at Montana's HP, man. Oh my god, he's got 121 HP pool or health pool, but he's down to 51,900. Wait, 51,597. Holy crap, man. Math much? Thanks, dude. Sky Blue, time to dump Bitcoin more. Real Mike, yeah, dude. That was normally. That's kind of like my hidden indicator. If the sky starts lighting up blue in New York City or any other major metropolitan, Bitcoin's probably going to sell off, right? Just some sort of thing. What do they call that, astrology? Holy crap. Anyway, Gordeski, man, let me know. Holy crap. It was an inside job, Brian Griffin. Yeah, dude, we did it to ourselves. We played ourselves. Dude, all the freaking reasons why this happened. Inside job. Deep state. False flag. What's up, MK, man? What was the reason for the blue light? MK, what do you think, dude? I need to hear it. Stack those ZERPs. Yeah, dude, totally. Sweetness. Hold on, is my music too loud? Okay, perfect. Thank God. It's really quiet on my side, and sometimes it can be way too loud. I don't even know or notice. What happened? Brad Garlinghouse flipped the switch, and Ripple ripped everywhere. Sweet John Lara, man. Sweet dude. What's up, Rich Galante? Holy crap, man. What was his prediction, Mr. Majesty? What was it, dude? You don't have sound. Is Bitcoin kill? Yeah. Bitcoin kill, but nay. But nay. Love you too, Mr. Gordeski, man. Just making sure you were good. What's up, Nook, man? We are going down, he says. Well, he does declare. We're going to look at Ethereum real quick. Whatever, man. Dude, the Ethereum run, it did not bring back any kind of zombie community. Zombie Ethereum community. Sorry, we never got one. Times are tough, man. Times are tough. It would take probably a lot more to get the Ethereum zombies back, okay? To start, you know, threatening, you better put Ethereum first, man. Okay, anyway, so Ethereum's below the 20 and 50, okay, below your fastest scale MAs on the 4-hour chart. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, you're above the 200 MA, yeah, because your rally went, you had a golden cross, you retraced 50% of the freaking way. What do you even want at that point? I mean, remember the prevailing trend is extremely bearish right now since January. Who cares, man? Major retrace on the daily. It's really not that crazy. None of this stuff is. But people thought it, I mean, some people thought it was. It's like, dude, do you even fit, man? Because it's like, this is very normal retrace stuff. So, it looked like just a bear pole, bear flag, right? Bear pole, bear flag, and we broke out. Measure move was down at $100, right around $100. So, the 200 MA is at 105. And holding on to tons of negative momentum still. Tons of it. Alright, so no impending price action reversal stuff right now. Still seems like there's plenty of room to run on Ethereum. On the 4-hour, we're sitting at 38, 39. Just in bearish territory with plenty of room to sell off more if we wanted to before getting oversold. Okay, man. Okay. Visa's now partnered with Ripple. XRP Mafia, is this true, man? Is this true? Everyone's got an itch that we're going down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, man. For BCE on TSX, Toronto Stock Exchange, you're going to look for potential re-entry after you sold at 57. You guess you love the 5.56% dividends. When'd you project, man? Alright, yeah, we're going to look at that. Literally, well, we're going to look at Theta first, then BCE. Theta was the first request. Alright, so we got our targets on our coins. We have measure moves of every single one. We have 2 measure moves for Bitcoin. Not measure move, it's just really Fibonacci. It's really a target, okay? We have multiple targets for Bitcoin. Alright, man. We'll see at 100, quite possibly. Theta. Theta being beta. Dude. You want to talk about Telegram S-Coin? Imlottie, man. Look, man, we had the downside channel, broke out of it. What we do, nothing. Higher low. Your previous low really back tested this August 22nd low. Look what happened. Oh my god, man, we hit an 886 retrace and then sold off. That's Telegram pump and dump. Man, low liquidity S-Coins. They're subject to this stuff. Yeah, I guess, man. I guess that we have some sort of higher low than our previous low. That's good. So some small form of accumulation. Hey, Satoshi Run, man. Thanks for the 5 XRP, dude. Here, I'll just do this for you, man. Thanks for exercising that XRP tip bot up there, man. Thanks, dude. All right. Don't really know what to tell you. You're making a lower high than your previous high, a little pump. Who cares? Bearish convergence on both oscillators. Look a lower high than your previous high, lower levels positive momentum, lower levels roto strength, near overbought territory. I don't know, man. I just think there's just so much more out there that would help you make better decisions. Now, I see you're near the bottom, some sort of trend line here from September 12th. Where would we run up to? Oh, well, it looks like we would run up to some sort of resistance here. Well, we've already done it, man. So it's like you're just bound between, you're range bound, kind of. And I don't know. It's going to be tough to break this. This is a pretty strong resistance right here. You've whipped off it a bunch of times. Even failed here on candle body close. You could never really sustain prices above this level. You ran up, hit a 236 fib node, and then just sold off. So I don't know, man. High risk up here. I wouldn't expect much from something like Theta, dude. But hey, man, you can do your thing, dude. Do your thing. All right. Theta, man. BCE, man. BCE. Oh my God, man. We were so kingish. It was so perfect, was it not? Well, the thing about BCE is it broke out of a historical uptrend, right? It's been out of a historical uptrend. So we can go to daily, whatever. Here's our daily, man. It was such a wonderful move up. And then it wasn't, right? Then it wasn't. We broke out bearishly. And then we formed a beautiful, beautiful falling wedge pattern, textbook falling wedge on the daily. And then we showed coinciding variables with this bullish reversal pattern, the MACD bullish divergence as well as the RSI bullish divergence. Main target, primary target for this falling wedge was 50% retrace. Boom. We were so freaking close to 618, weren't we? We almost had it. I thought we did, Probst. Did we not hit the 618? Am I crazy? Because I remember us looking at it and talking about it, right? Anyway, we hit our primary target and then since sold off. Never even reached the top trend line of the downsloping channel that we're in, okay? So that's about it, man. Continue to sell off. He's looking for a re-entry. Okay. Well, we can fib, right? We can fib relative to the situation, Mr. 1G Project, dude. Always remember the trend you're in. Okay, bouncing off a 618, your golden retrace. But on the daily, literally nothing to give you any indication that we're done, besides maybe we just hit oversold territory for the first time technically since August 8th, which is fine. All right, whatever. Oh boy, look, we had oversold. All right, we kept selling off, right? So remember the trend is not bullish right now. It is down sloping, lower highs than your previous highs. Okay, so we go the 4 hour, whatever, man. 4 hour. Jeez, dude, bearish convergence. It's a big free fall thing, okay? So I'm sure the macro improves. This is going to improve as well. So look what you're doing. You ran up today, right? The last 4 hours of the daily session, we hit the 200 MA and closed right at it. Used it as resistance pretty much, okay? So we are very, very far away from our moving averages, our faster moving averages. Man, that's heavy selling. All right, so sure, we might bounce off the 618, and that might be some sort of scalp thing, but dude, on any kind of significant time scale, there's no reason to believe we're breaking the upside. Okay, so algos, I think, came in and propped this price up today. All right, so man, we got lowest levels we've seen on RSI on the 4 hour since February this year. Dang, dude. All right, so man, nice little gap here. Maybe we fill the gap. If this is the swing low, which we have literally no idea, 1G Project, if this is the swing low, okay? No clue. Very low volume. Did not even bullishly engulf. But if it was, okay, if it was high to low, you got to understand we are not even close to a 23% retrace, a shallow retrace at 54.19. Okay, so a long way to go, man, to start even making shallow retraces to moderate to golden retraces, right? So there you have it, 1G Project. I don't know. I don't know if the swing low is in yet. No one does. All right. You realize the stock market could sell off tomorrow hard, and we might not even have a swing low. Okay, a major swing low yet. So we'll see though. But you know, a retrace, a major retrace, the way we're seeing it, we could continue on our buying for much longer because the S&P 500, I don't think he has even hit a 23% retrace yet. Like, legit. Good God. Hey, Felix, man. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. Yeah, man. Thank you. Okay, this is a 3-time ETN of, you know, inverse gold, right? So, all right, man. Let's zoom out on this, get a grander look. We have uncharted territory, no cap. All right, so there's clearly some sort of support down here, right? That we're holding. Okay, we bounced off of it. Hey, big move down, came up. Would you retrace? 50%? Probably, man, right? Not even gonna be surprised. Oh my God, dude. No, fibs are fake, man. Fibs are so fake. I mean, do you see this? Where do we not see this? I mean, this is like everywhere. We were looking at Poo today, a German asset. Okay, I think on the DAX or something. Maybe not even. Even Poo respected the TA by hitting a 618, a golden retrace. This is a 50%. We're selling off again. All right, found a bottom. Looks like some sort of double bottom, but running up, making lower highs than previous highs. Come on, man. Come on, dude. All right, so not relevant. Just wanted to look and see. You know what we did, right? We came up to try to fill a gap, right? Anyway, what did we do on the weekly? Hit the 200-week moving average, just like we did here, and sold off, right? So it's having. All right, so remember the inverse gold chart. DGLD respects the living crap out of the 200-week moving average. Okay, remember that. Man, I'll tell you, this kind of just looks like trying to form a descending triangle of some sort. Forever, man. I mean, we're just being as simple as possible here. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm sure we could find some sort of equidistant channel too. But you know, you get this, man, right? You get it. All right, there you go, dude. Multiple reaction lows, multiple reaction highs now. We do have that textbook descending triangle going on. That was crypto.
Bitch ain't doing things.
Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
I'm still seeing an inverse head and shoulders on the BTC daily, backed up by bullish divergence on the daily RSI.
Sorry, hopeless crypto bull. That divergence already played out, and we got the bottom because of it. So, sorry, dude. Thanks so much for that $25, man. Yeah. Let's see. Inverse head and shoulders. It's an ugly. Okay, someone sees an inverse head and shoulders. I just see a bearish cipher pattern, right? A harmonic pattern that is. When you get them, they're some of the most reliable patterns that exist on charts, okay? Legit, man. Like 73% chance of playing out. And this one already has played out. It's already hit its first target. It's very, very close to the second target. And we may or may not get the third target, which is the 1272 at 2790, all right? So, hey, man. One man's ugly, disgusting, non-textbook looking inverse head and shoulders is one man's harmonic pattern. Okay, so interpretation. So anyway, dude, I don't think you want to know a measured move. Thanks, Hopeless Crypto Bull, man. 39.19 to, good God, man, that's like the size of. I don't know how this measured move is going to work out, but I'll tell you this: if we do sell off, we'll have targets. We can just fib from the low to high to get fib extensions down here. That will be our target. But for now, we can just fib. Well, we're still going to fib from the low to high, aren't we? Low to high. We're not even at the 618 yet. We're falling below the 50-week moving average. Let's go to the daily, whatever. Go to the daily, sorry. It looks Still looks okay, man. Still looks okay. If you want, we can definitely chart this. Oh yeah, man. Oh, yeah. So there you go, man. Impulse up, coming near to the golden retrace at 46.62. Bearish convergence, unfortunately, on the RSI, but some slight form of bullish divergence on the MACD. Just slight on the daily. Low on price. Low on price. Lower levels of negative momentum. Boom. So you've got, I don't know, then someone could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, this isn't even a valid wedge. Someone could be like, hey, man, on a shorter time scale, we've got this, right? Which it does seem real that you have two downsloping trend lines that are converging, right? Just like this. You see it, man? Okay. But I don't know, man. You've got one coinciding variable with the wedge, maybe, but the wedge isn't even valid on the daily, I don't think. So we're below we're below all three MAs now. We're below the 200-day moving average, the 50 and the 20 moving average. So the only solace you might get is the 618 with the golden retrace with bullish divergence near the bottom of a possible potential wedge. All right, Bradford, man. But you're just deep within the parameters of a pretty large descending triangle, maybe, right? That looks very, very real. Very real. Okay. Sweet, man, sweet. All right, FTSE for probes, man. Okay, probes. That's what I saw. All right, this is your historical uptrend. Anchor point 1, and then adjustment 2, and then this 3 and 4 and 5 on the top side. Okay. Decent amount of respect on this thing. Heart line, 75, 75, 75, right? Heart line multiple times. Not bad, right? Not freaking bad. So what happened, man? We broke out bearishly, okay, in this very steep downtrend like the rest of the macro everywhere, okay? But I think I see why you're asking about this thing. So we're right at that 100% retrace, right? Back from March of this year. What's happening with us hitting that same level? We're showing that bullish divergence, man, right? On both oscillators. Good man. Good man. Here it is. Low on price, lower low on price, higher levels of relative strength. So you're at a critical area of support. With the divergence, there is reason to believe this could break to the upside, at least for the short term, to make some sort of retrace. But understand, we have broken out of a historical uptrend that's been intact since February 2016. All right, if we want to fib from the low to high to see how far we've retraced so far, low to high. Aha, we're hitting the 382 right now, probes, man. The major 382. You've just hit your first common retrace of your retrace zone. 382 is 573. We literally bounced off of it and closed to 577.80. Huh. There you go, man. Things to think about. You got some sort of good stuff here at a critical fib node 382 with horizontal line support. Not bad, not bad. That's some converging variables right there, looking decent. All right, that's it, man. That's it. Whew. All right, SQs for rim log. This thing, man, how crazy. How crazy. Dude, like, remember, like, late last week, we couldn't believe it, dude. It was like, oh my god, man. Or maybe it was like Monday or something. It was like, it hit, yeah, I think it was Monday. It was like New Year's Eve, or sorry, Christmas Eve. And we like broke and closed above this upsloping resistance, like, good god. And then like the next day just shattered, right? Just like, nope, not breaking this, gonna respect this trend line and dump the ascending broadening wedge. All right, crazy pattern. So dumping right now from a low to high. That's off a little bit. From a low to high, we've broken the 382. Probably heading down at 1616. If you can't hold 1616, look for 1492. All right, have fun with the decay on this thing, holding it, because while it's selling off, you're not gonna have a good time. Look, SQs holding it long term when there's just so much uncertainty with this market right now after so much tremendous selling. Look, man, there's nothing wrong with the QID. Like going, you buying assets that are short on the Qs, but maybe not with leverage. You're gonna, be less inclined to get wrecked. Okay, so anyway, there you go, Rimloud Man. Thanks, dude. Let's get through some chat. Missed a lot just because we've been going. If you don't know, this is Patreon night. Patron night. Once a week we do pre-games where 30 minutes before the show we'll hang out and live chat together. I'll talk and answer any questions, and then I'll get people's requests, the patrons' requests. So it's just once a week. If I do 14 streams a week, they get one. Okay, so can't be upset about that. I think a lot of people have just forgotten this is a request show too, so that's fine. Anyway. Okay, JD thinks 41-24 Bama. Excellent, dude. Thanks, Donor. What? Oh, heck, hey, sweet, man. Dude, that's awesome. That's the makings for an awesome football game. Thanks, Donor says, and I was just seeing this. The first Heisman winner versus runner-up game since Reggie Bush versus Vince Young. And we know how that played out, right? We know who won. It was Reggie Bush, and his team lost because Vince took it over in the fourth quarter, late in the fourth quarter. 05, dude. 05. It was pretty much the best college football national championship game that I think that you could remember or that existed until the Alabama-Georgia game last year. So, whew. What's up, Logos Free, man? So, Logos Free is clarifying Visa bought EarthPoint, which has a partnership with Ripple, not Visa directly partnered with Ripple. Okay, thanks, dude, for the clarification. So, William Battles, dude. What is it, XRP Junkie? Bitcoin Triangle being squeezed, is it? I am uncertain of that, man. Holy crap, man. Is there a lot of chat? I see XRP everywhere. I see it in my dreams, man. Where's my music, dude? Whew. Christopher Harris. Yeah, we were talking. We actually, if you rewind, we showed it. Oh, probes, man. Probes.
Thanks for the analysis of FTSE. Yes, saw same thing. Also, 99.88888888% of the country is rooting against Bama. Rolltron.
Rolltron, man. Whose side are you on? The question is, who are you going to be rooting for when we're sitting next to each other? Hey, Jake Rocio, man. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. Thank you. Crap, I'm running out of coffee, man. I'm running out of coffee. What's up, Raymond Cheek? DJ Joe Public, hello. Good evening to you. Hey, Mr. Selecki, dude. For sure, dude. For sure. Just wanted to see why I was green today. Fair, man. Fair. Okay. List. What in the world are y'all talking about in chat, man? Fergus Games, is that what it is? They're attempting to reroute power across New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. We made brown out. Isn't browning out not sexual? Isn't browning out when you drink so much alcohol and you can only remember it if someone mentions it to you, and that's what triggers something in your brain about, oh yeah, I remember that, dude. I remember. That's browning out. Okay. Cornholio. Yes, I said Cornholio. Overused TA? You can't overuse TA. Pollos, hermanos, man. Alright. I hate when people go live when live streaming. Is that happening? Leave me. I don't know. So I've been streaming at 11 Eastern for like a year now. Like it's not changed at all, like ever. Okay, so I don't know what you're talking about it. It is Kang, Lehman. Alright, sorry, just getting through chat. It's hard, it's tough, man. It's tough. Poyos, man. Every indicator I use, they're different. Okay, they don't overlap, and they all signify different things. I do not overuse TA. Every single indicator I use is different. Okay, and they all tell me different things. Thanks. Ooh, 16 more likes till fireworks in honor of Psy Girl. Sign me up, man. Sign me up. Or sign me up. Whew. The big brownout has been triggered, Blue Jones, man. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. You think it's called a blackout? No, a blackout, Beach Live, is when you literally, no matter what someone tells you about what you did last night, you can't remember and have to take their word for it. That's what a blackout is, okay? But we know the Drink Troll has made me black out a couple times on the stream. Holy crap, man. Oh, okay, I got you, Leaping, man. Sorry, dude. I don't know. I'm trying to scroll through chat, and it's just, you know, there's just a lot of words, man. A lot of words. Staying focused is, and staying, you know. Why is it doing that? Oh, I got you. Wow, man. What a joke, man. What a joke on old Neo, dude. Yo, I guess we can look at Neo. Alright. Jesus, thing has fallen from grace, dude. Fallen from grace. Alright, this is Neo, man. This is Neo back from February 2nd of 2018. Sell off, right? The right angled and ascending broadening formation. Bearish breakout, bearish pattern, bearish breakout. Head and shoulders, breakout bearishly, right? And then we had some sort of rising wedge on the way. You know, it deleted a few. Anyway, a ascending broadening wedge. But now, what's happened? We've stayed within the parameters of the equidistant channel for so long. We formed another downsloping channel, just like Bitcoin, right? Just like Bitcoin. So, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom. Heart line respect to check our math. Beautiful. From your swing low to swing high, we got our fib extensions and hit the 1.618, the golden mean ratio, before running to the upside. What else gave us reason to believe we could bottom here and run to the upside? Well, some bullish divergence. Okay, bullish divergence on the RSI, and we've got the daily real quick. Daily RSI. Bullish divergence with the 4-hour bullish divergence with MACD bullish divergence, right? We made a low on price, a discernible lower low on price with almost inexistent negative momentum. That is Class A bullish divergence. So we got so much of it, man. That moon boy. Yeah.
Bitch ain't doing things.
It's true, man. We've memed it.
Sometimes
Everywhere.
words have original meanings much before they were associated with drunkenness.
Could you give me some examples, man, of certain words? Okay, because I'd like to know. I'd love to know, actually. I'm doing something important tomorrow, but I don't know, man. Hold on a sec. Let me see something, dude. Okay, Bitman boy, I've got like one beer. All right, up here, at hand. I also have I have that whiskey too, man. But I don't know, man. It's been a long day, long couple days. Yesterday and today have been kind of stressful business-wise, doing things behind the scenes, and so you know, now I kind of want to take a load off. All right, so I think I might give myself this beer in a second. Maybe give it like 9 more minutes. Be an hour into the stream before I do it. So stick around, man. If you want to talk to me about interpretation of weird words. Okay, I can do it for you. The purple lights are probably a devil's lettuce grow farm. I don't know what a purple light is, DJ Man. All right, sorry. My bad. Don't you trigger me, God, man.
Mitchell, how are things in Greenbow, Alabama? Are we fixing to bust down past $3,450? Thanks for all you do. Have some Nutella and milk. Boomer sooner.
Roll Tide, man, roll Tide. Man.
You just triggered one of my many brownouts. I started layering into Neo at $175. They have such good hearts. Alcohol is bad, MK.
Good. Okay.
Marijuana's bad.
Dude, you just literally blew my mind right there. That, like, you talk about not browning out or blacking out. You just unloaded a plethora of emotions and things in my brain. Thanks so much, Browned Out Probes, man, for that. Good memories. These memories were long before I started streaming, where in the Great FOMO, there was this young lady in a Discord server with a bunch of Great Fomians, okay, the Great Fomians of our time. And she was leading the charge and said, I think I'm going to be layering into Neo at 175. I think it's a good round number, okay? And she wasn't talking about Neo. She later in conversation was talking about how Verge was, they had a great development team. And I really like Verge because I really think their lead developers have good hearts. And you know, that was before even the Microsoft thing, or it might have been in the midst of it. Not, you know, the Microsoft, what was it? Their stupid thing. I don't even remember anymore. I don't store stupid stuff in my brain. Not too stupid. Not as stupid as Verge and their like Wraith Protocol crap. Browned Out remembered it, but yeah, Wraith Protocol launched and they delayed it by an hour. They delayed it by an hour and it dropped like 50% of value. And then recovered and then dumped again and then sold off, and we never saw prices like that. Was great FOMO craziness. So, bros, man, thanks so much for the good memories. Bringing back the times of old when the Great Fomians still ruled the land. Okay, it was just riddled. The sphere was riddled with them, and they were terrible for the space. Terrible. So yeah, cool. Sorry, man. It was that last sip. I didn't swirl it enough. It just has that good sediment, man. So I'm about to, that was just kind of like I took an espresso shot. All right. Holy crap. What is even happening right now? Well, Luke Jones, if I started a compound like the branch Davidian cult, you'd move in for sure. Who's with me or who's with you, Luke, man? I don't know, man. We could have fun, dude. We could have a lot of fun. I'll give everyone free robes. All right, free robes and free hot warm towels, or wet hot warm towels, whatever, for your face with the robe. You would get that if I ever started a Davidian cult. Those would be like 2 amenities I would offer to new members, even pledges, okay, to the cult. Not a good idea? Anybody? Maybe. All right. A drunk word equals butterface. When you have butter on your face, drunk version, butterface, everything about her looked good, butterface. What about bookface, Daggestoner, man? Have you ever heard of the wonderful social media platform called Bookface? Okay. Yeah, I don't know Chris Ferris, man. That's I don't think anyone knows that. We'll see. All right. Yeah, Virgin Pornhub was another terrible one, Dave Jones, man. Remember, it ran up, had a crazy run. Remember the 4-hour golden cross we saw? That thing tripled it. Yeah, tripled in value from that golden cross. We made a video on it. And then when the news, it led up to the leading up to the Pornhub announcement, where no one even knew what they were announcing. It shot up again, and then as soon as it got announced, it's over, man. That was the highest high we saw ever again. All right. It was like a story. What's up, Brandon Mitchell, man? I like your last name. The cult of TA. We can all move in and worship the almighty Dow and fib channels? What about the fibs themselves, man? All right. Because like our fib channels are not really fib channels. For those who think I'm using literal fib channels, I'm not. It's manipulated. A manipulated tool. You want your robe to cover 62% of your body, Christopher Harris? Excellent, man. This is turning into something, y'all. We're actually on to something right now. Interesting. Billy, man, I don't even know who that is. Okay, dude. I only know about him because y'all talk about him sometimes. Scam I am. All right. The daily, M. Gordeski. Remember we did the whole swing high, swing low. We literally did an education session on if when in doubt, go to the daily. When in doubt on your fibs, swing highs to swing lows, go to the daily. Yeah, McCafe is getting ready to eat his, yeah. Maybe some, man. Link up. There you go, man. Can Ethereum please go up, Matthew Monroe, man? Are you the remnants of the leader of the Ethereum cult? Is that you, dude? Girl to guy ratio be 1.618. Yeah, dude, golden mean ratio, but in the cult house we'll call it the golden meme ratio. Okay, that's it. Please just drink a shot of booze. Maybe I should just drink a shot of booze for Dave Jones. Okay, sure thing, M. Gordeski, man. Any freaking time, man. All right, but just leading on back to Neo. All right, Keanu Reeves coin. We broke that down, slugging resistance. Who cares? It's really not a big deal. All right, there's just, I mean, hey, great volume. Look at this volume, man. Largest spike of volume we've seen since freaking January, man. On this, that's what's crazy. We broke out on high volume, right? But have since done nothing with this down slipping channel, right? Ran up, hit it, failed perfectly, holding above the 20 MA. But man, you had extreme levels of bullish divergence everywhere at a critical 1618 fib extension. Okay, so those all lined up. They lined up coinciding variables, and we had that little spring, didn't we? Let's see if we can hold, man. Hold above 1843. If you can do that, hey man, good things might be in the cards for you. Could be, man. But this thing at one time, on the bearish run we're on, we went from an all-time high of 15,185 sats, currently sitting at 1,876 sats. Just ridiculous, man. All right, down to lower risk areas on a daily time scale. All right, I mean, dude, this has just been incessant selling, incessant. It seems like Anya to BDC and other pairs too, they're showing reason to believe we might have a nice major retrace. Okay, we might, very well could. Like, to me, like, this looks like a major retrace. This looks like the major retrace. We broke out of this channel. I would fib from a high here to a low here. Okay, and that would give you stupid amounts of room to run. Just saying. All right. So we did. All right. Oh, hey. By the way, it's time for your local in the 8s. Sponsored by Vet Moonboy's diabolical army that's taking over New York right now. They won't tell you that, okay? They won't tell you on the news. At least he was kind enough to tell us. All right. So, Billy, man, the question you were asking was...
Is that a joint?
Late to the stream and missed the past couple. Heavy breathing. Can we look at some of the indecision on Dollar Tree? THNXDLTR.
It's weird how it's spelled out. Thanks. Yeah, dude. Look at the Dollar Tree. It's been a minute since we looked at that one. Sure, dude. Dollar Tree for you. Why not Dollar General, dude? There are two types of people on this planet that like assets. Not, yes, just assets, not take it out. Alright, so the Dollar Tree folk or the Dollar General people. Okay. What side are you on? Sounds like you're a Dollar Tree person, and the Dollar Tree people are peasants, whereas the Dollar General people are kangs. Choose your side wisely, your faction. All right, it's like Tron versus Verge, okay, but for the stock market. we'll look at it. Black Plasma. And then thanks for the 420 contribution. And Billy, man, again, you were asking, will we crack 34.50 or whatever? Will we? Dude, I don't know. But I'll tell you what I do know. And what I do know is bearish cyber pattern in a bearish trend. Bear pole, bear flag in a bearish trend. First target's been hit on the bearish cyber pattern. Second target has not been hit. It's at 35.37. Should expect to see. I mean, look here, man. Look here, listen. Thanks, Wings of Redemption. What did we do? We broke out. We broke this down-sloping support. Right, we broke it. We came back and we actually did not back test. Interesting. Well, hold on. Let me adjust this pinpoint accurately. That's 1 and 2. Perfect. We did back test. We're still outside of it. Okay, look, man, you got to be pinpoint accurate. Zoom in on your anchor points of your trend lines. Okay, so all right, we broke out. We back tested once. We back tested twice, and now we're still here. All right, so what do you do when you break out? You back test and then you sell off more. Okay, I just think that we've got some indecision going on. We do have a little bit of rejection, but we also have rejection on the upside. So this right here just looks like some sort of spinning top. Okay, doing candlestick math, it just turns into a spinning top. All right, so more indecision, low volume, whatever, dude. Okay, 2 hours 53 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. There you go, Billy, man. There you go, dude. Hope that helps a little bit, but roll tide, dude. What about Family Dollar? Oh, I don't know, man. Those are the scuffed brand. You know, when you're in a supermarket, okay, Lee P, when you're in the supermarket and you are looking in the cereal aisle and you see the really, really scrubby, like it's like the Fruit Loops that are like has the monkey as the mascot for the Fruit Loops, you know, and it's like the Count Chocula, but it's like a different colored Count Chocula or something weird. That's what Family Dollar is like in the battle between Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Do you understand, Lee P, man? That's what it's like, dude. Okay. What's up, Aramis, dude? You love it at Landcap? I'm glad you love it, man. Me too, dude. Me too. Yeah, dude. What about it, man? What about it, William Battles? Oh, many years ago, New York posted a news story about Bitcoin. Oh, I didn't know that was what it was, Bill Battle. I thought it was some scrub who's never held or invested or traded anything in his life, giving advice to everybody what to do, and then everyone took it, okay? Greg Morgan, Talladega, TA, man. You know, the locals call it Talladega, not Talladega, all right? Remember that. So if you ever go in there, I'm serious. Don't offend anybody. Call it Talladega, not Dega. Thanks. You like bulls, not bears. We need more bulls, Matthew. That's not the mentality to have as a trader. All right, you need to like both sides. You need to like technical analysis. The technical analyst, play the fence, be objective, no emotions. Okay, that's what you want to do. Play both. Drink shot, more drink shots, Dave Jones, man. Oh, fireworks! Holy crap, man! Thank y'all for the 100 likes every single time. Y'all are incredible. Because I can't do this without you, man. All right, and Wilma. Matthew Monroe, any advice? Well, you telling me you went in 1,000, you're down to 755. You're deciding whether to jump ship, but you don't want to. I don't know where you bought. I don't know why you bought. I don't know where you set up a stop. You obviously didn't set up a stop loss, and I don't know what your exit strategy was going to be. Matthew Monroe, if you come to this channel, those are questions you want answered, okay? Trading plan. Gotta have a trading plan. Otherwise, you're just blindly buying and randomly selling at a gain or a loss. I don't even know, man. Maybe a mid-gainsman. All right. How do you send money, Mr. Gordesky, man? There's a link in the description below, Stream Elements. Just click that link, man. Pretty easy. The Green Bow Cult, man. Oh, yeah, dude. Who would be our savior would be Forrest Gump, man. Anyway, though, this is a bull run issue. Yeah, it's a bull run, man. Bull run. So Randy Schulz. To live is to risk it all. Yeah, I guess so. Rick Sanchez. Yeah, man, for sure. Time to short, Andy. A little late, man. A little late for the shorting dog. Okay, dog. It's a party, Dustin Witt. Shots and fireworks. I guess, man. I guess. All right. I guess we're an hour in. Hour and 7 minutes in. Give me 2 seconds. All right. Let me get this beer. I'll be right back. It's right here, dude. It's not many for same time. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. The princess got Michelob Ultra in bottles. I didn't know that even existed, and not just regular bottles, like weird bottles. Okay, so. Oh, forgive me, man. Forgive me. All right. Check something out and move on. Okay, man. Okay, holding pretty well. Holding pretty well. We haven't looked at this in a while, man. It's looking pretty good. The Dollar Tree. Look how we're holding this bottom trend line. Holy crap, man. Okay. You're gonna be freaked out for a minute. Just calm down. All these lines, man, like too much, man. Ugh. Like, yeah. If you're closed-minded and think your way is the only way to do it, fine. But we had a beautiful uptrend. Dollar Tree, historical uptrend, anchor point 1 from July 2012 lows. There we go. So anchor point 1, 2 from March 15th, 2015. Anchor point 3, August 2016, and then anchor point 1 down here in June 2017. Made the adjustment. Okay. And we're since bouncing off that upsloping support. Go figure, right? Go figure. So we had a nice run up from the bottom to the top, and then from swing low to swing high to see how far we retrace. We got very close to the 786, but why did we not hit that 786 fib node? Because of the upsloping support. All right, so why is this downsloping channel, equidistant channel, going on? Because that's the trend you're in right now. You are in that trend. You can be in a downtrend in a bull run. You can do that, and we are in a downtrend in a bull run. Clearly, they're both marked here. So it's good that we have not broken out of that yet, it being such a staple for, you know, people all over the country. So HG is anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top, soon approaching that downsloping resistance. And we have failed to break the 200-day moving average once. Looks like we're going on twice, maybe. Okay. But look, man, what is it? Impulse down, upsloping consolidation. Let's fib here. Let's fib here.
LTC BTC, will Litecoin ever be pulled from the Theta BTC?
Probably not, dude. I'm sorry. Probably not. Not anytime soon. Okay. Something spectacular would have to happen that would rock the world of the entire crypto market for it to be a thing. Okay. Sweet. Thanks for the 333. Repeating, of course. Anyway. So what's going on? Nice levels of bullish convergence, right? You got like low on price. You actually had bullish divergence right here. Wow. Low, it's in the technical lower low on the close with almost inexistent negative momentum. You did have bullish divergence here and then broke to the upside. And it's been higher lows ever since. Okay, so could just be this miniature little bear flag, maybe? All right, you see it right there. Let's fib our retrace from the high to low. What are we hitting? Aha, we hit the 618 one time. failed third time to break the 50% retrace at 87.53. So you're struggling tremendously at common retrace fib levels. So though you had a little bit of bullish convergence, you have pretty extreme, wow, bearish divergence, man. Huh? Y'all see that? The highs, the higher highs, the highest high, right? Every single time you're making lower levels of positive momentum, that's bearish, man. That's not good. You don't want to see bearish divergence after a huge move down. You gap down on extremely high volume. This could be some sort of breakaway gap. You might not be seeing prices up here for a while. Okay, if the macro wants to be bearish, yeah, you're gonna be bearish, man. Okay, so here you go, man. You have some RSI bearish divergence too on a daily time scale. So, hey, it looks like it could possibly just be a huge bear flag. Okay, it could, but the only thing that makes you question it, right? Only thing that makes you question this is we are in the uptrend and we are holding this. We have not touched this in a while. Okay, so all this stuff's kind of new, developing at the bottom trend line of the huge historical uptrend. Would love to see us shoot to the upside, break out, head back on up, but this kind of move right here, that's terrible, dude. That's terrible. Almost a, what, 70% retrace, 73% retrace or something on the way down. So I just don't know, man. I don't know if we're going to be able to break the upside with bearish divergence with oscillators in a bear pull, bear flag. Okay, in a current downtrend in the overall bullish uptrend, historical uptrend. Here's your dollar tree, man. Pull it up. Okay, man. Okay. Let's go to Litecoin to Bitcoin, man. Here it is. All right. So it shows a anchor point with 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top with 75% respect, 25% respect, a little bit of hard respect, not too much though. But either way, man, look, it's just like what else? Neo to BTC we looked at. So Neo and Litecoin to BTC pairs are kind of breaking out of their respective downtrends. $100, man.
JC Penney, please. Turned into a penny stock today. Are they the next Sears? RIP, so sad.
Yeah, probably, dude. You tell me what kind of changes they're making, HG, to not be a penny stock. Because I don't know. I haven't heard any kind of breakthrough in marketing, online sales, anything like that. Okay, so thanks, David. 318. We'll look at JC Penney after Litecoin to BTC. Okay, with Litecoin to BTC, man. So just breaking out barely. But here's the thing. This is what's so intriguing about Litecoin to BTC. Okay, man. Don't worry about this education stuff. Be scared. Don't be scared. Try to get another picture for you. Anyway, this was so intriguing. So it's like we had bullish divergence. We sold off one more time. So annoying. Bottomed out at this November 2nd, 2017 low and then bounced. But we're just getting all this RSI bullish divergence on the daily with lower prices, right? Just lower prices, higher levels of relative strength all the time, right? So at critical areas of support, and we did have bullish divergence until we sold off one more time, and then pretty much invalidated it. It's like no more. You no longer had it. You didn't have it anymore. It's bearish convergence from here to here, or here to here, for that matter. So you got to get rid of that. It sucks, man, but that's what happens sometimes in bear markets. Okay. Anyway, if we were to break out, and if this was truly the bottom, man, if it was, right? And we're looking at a daily time scale. You know how we do it, man. Your real discernible major swing high. Looks like right here, man. High. Hey, Tom, thanks for the sub, man. On YouTube. Dude, if that was the bottom, which we have no earthly idea if this is the bottom right now, okay. 236. Fib retrace. 10,888. King Logan would love it, man. 382, which would, if you were to try to do a trade setup, it would just look probably something like this, which again, we don't know if the bottom's in yet. All right. Could look something like this, man. Be pretty tight here. Obviously, there's areas where we could sell off more or whatever, dude. But if you were just like, hey, man, we found the bottom because all the divergence was just building and building and building. We just broke out of the downsloping channel. I think your first target could be the 382. Okay. And it could look something like that. I mean, it's that simple. All right, critical support, bullish divergence on the RSI. Ripple General.
I'm starting a disruptive online competitor to Dollar General and Tree. Just need crypto to pump a little bit. Right now all I can sell are gas station donuts.
Donuts, man. Gas station donuts. But hey, don't, wait a second. Don't some gas stations import Krispy Kreme donuts, man? So the gas station donuts thing might be null and void, or your argument. So no kappa there. Ripple General, man. Lead your Ripple army to battle and sell your gas station donuts. Man, thanks so much for the $20. Holy crap. Cheers to that, dude. Okay. Next dude. Awesome, man. So, but Litecoin again, man. Again. It could look something like this. That's it, dude. But if Bitcoin sells off, dude, no telling, right? Some of these two Bitcoin pairs are inverse correlating Bitcoin. Some do, some don't, all right? All we know is there's critical support here, holding it, and we broke out of the downsloping equidistant channel, all right? That's all that's going on right now. Hope that helps, man. Hope that helps. Texas sports fan. Kings, baby, Kings. All right. Wish there's more to talk about Litecoin and Bitcoin. Great. Excuse me. Let me make sure I got this right thing going on. All right, J.C. Penney. It's in the game. That's not right. Are there any donut companies that are publicly traded? Because we will look at that for the Ripple General, man. All right. No capital. Oh my god, man. JC Penney, dude. Anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. Heartline, respect like Kangs, dude. All the way down. Just can't break the heartline no matter what. Can't break the 20. Can't break the 50 MA. You're in a bear trend over and over and over again. You're sub $1 now, man. You did it. Soon approaching the 1618, which is at 59 cents. This has been plotted for God knows how long. All right, we've had this plotted, and we're just waiting for it to hit the 1618, which we thought, hey, maybe at the time that's crazy, man. But no, sorry, man, it's not that crazy for JCPenney. So really, nothing more to talk about. Why else? Why do we need to look up here? No real reason. We've broken up trend. Holy crap! Way back in. When was the real break? We broke it for the first time in May of 2012, came and back tested September 2012, and that was it, man. It was all over for JCPenney after that, okay, man. Huge bear flag breakout, okay. So, hey, keep your eye on 59 cents. It might take some time, but it seems reasonable for us to approach that soon. Okay. We gapped down past the 1414 back in August, and we back test the 1414 extension, and we use it as resistance, and we've sold off since, and we're heading to the 1618 golden mean ratio. That's it. Excuse me, man. Excuse me. Well, let me get this in chat, okay? Because I've not been able to engage too much in the past, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. So, y'all see apron dumpster fire, inverse fire yesterday and today? No, I did not. HGA did not see Blue Apron. Did it pop or something based on literally nothing? Do I like Maker's Mark, Michael David? Yeah, dude, I like Maker's Mark. Yeah, I used to have some here, dude. I used to. Look, I was a little loud. Sorry. Hold on.
Maybe you can help with inventory. What else can I sell for 1 Ripple? Half a JC Penney it looks like.
Shots fired, shots fired. Would you rather hold a Ripple or a JC Penney? Interesting. That could bring up a debate. Chat, what do you think? Would you hold JC Penney or half a Ripple or something? Yeah. No, it's like 3 Ripples equals 1 JC Penney. Mr. Ripple General, man. That's about the $15, man. The Irwin Coffee logo in the jar. Okay, dude. Okay. Man. Thanks, dude. GG no read, John Legend. Yes. Dustin Witt says seriously. I don't even know what y'all are talking about. I'm so far behind on chat. Right. I'm surprised Count Chocula hadn't said anything yet, man. I'm just saying, dude. Why, this may be a dumb question, says Matthew, but why doesn't everyone just support one platform like Bitcoin instead of spreading wealth among several different cryptocurrencies? Probably a dumb question. It's not a dumb question, man, but it's called the ICO boom, okay? ICO boom in 2017, where blockchain's this new thing, this new development, revolution in technology, and everyone in Silicon Valley is trying to make an ICO, and there are venture capitalists that are willing to give seed money for those projects to develop. Unfortunately, the projects, a lot of them were not built to actually survive. They were meant to pump the price before dumping it on everyone's head while it ICO'd, right? So you ICO for 2 reasons. Initial coin offering or initial public offering in the stock market. We talk about those 2 reasons all the time. One is to gain money so you can reinvest that money to expand so you can sell your product. Normally when you IPO, you want to have a working product that's actually making money at that time, right? Yeah. ICOs were inverse that. We don't have any working product at all. We have no revenue. We don't know what we're doing, man. Just give us money so we can make our blockchain. And guess what? A lot of these cryptos will be out of money and because they don't make any money still. Okay, dude. So there's no way to really value how much they're worth at all. Okay, the second reason why you ICO is to literally dump on everyone's head. I think I already talked about that, but I didn't say it was the second reason. So one is to reinvest the money you get IPO or ICOing so you can invest more, so you can literally make more products, to sell more products, to make more money and expand R&D, research and development, all that. You don't just R&D alone, okay? That's not what the ICOs are. We're just going to research and work on this project and do nothing with it, okay? For the most part. So, not a dumb question, man. I think it's just because everyone thought, hey, man, we can make money here. There's Count Chocolate, man.
Sorry, Mitch. Been busy trying to find out how to achieve a brownout. Sounds chocolatey.
Well, I think there are certain drugs that will do that to you. Count Chocolate, man. All right, be careful. Steer clear of those. Also, chocolate will get you browned out. You know, like or candy, and not brushing your teeth, not flossing. Also, you'll get a visit from Count Chocula. He's like the tooth fairy, but inverse tooth fairy. All right, brown out your teeth. Thanks so much, Count Chocula, for that wonderful lesson. I think we all learned a little bit. Thanks, dude. For the 15, 1-5, man. All right. Oh my God, man. Oh man. I'm just getting to this. What is this, man? The FOMO was so bright, or is so bright. You gotta wear shades. Where, dude? Where? Okay. Blinded by the FOMO. Yeah, dude. Okay, XRP over JC Penney. Ripple Army is en route. Greg Morgan's gonna get screwed, dude. He's gonna get screwed. 589 policy in effect. I don't even know what that means, dude. Okay. Oh wait, 589. Yeah, dude. Dang girl, fine. Suck it to me. Suck it to me. Suck it to me one more time. Get low. You get that song. Y'all remember that song, right? What a revolution of our time. Heard at every skating rink and discotheque in the country now. All right, in the world, for that matter. Oh my God, man. What's even happening? Aramis, do you like the music, man? I hate how it's just louder than it should be. Sorry, man.
What do you rather have, a share of Sears, JC Penney, or scratch off lottery ticket?
Dang, man, it's a good question. Good question, dude. Probably a lotto ticket, right? Because there's no lotto where I live. I have to drive over 100 miles to get a lotto ticket. So hopefully that's it. Purely for the convenience, all right? Because I could go online anytime and buy a JCPenney or Sears, right? But I can't literally go anywhere online and buy a lotto ticket, okay? I don't think legally anyway. So I'm going with the lotto ticket. Thanks, Texas Sports Fan, the 333 repeating, of course. Texas, man. Thanks, dude. Pick any other number, Jeff, man. Are you sure that would work, dude? I don't know if that would work, man. Yin Yang Twins. Martin Shkreli, man. He knows the... No, that's the Wu-Tang Clan, not the Yin Yang Twins. Sorry. I don't even... Is that even real, Jeff? Are you just trolling, dude? Yin Yang Twins can't be real. And if they are... You know, it's the internet. I'm going to type on Google Yin Yang Twins, and I know it's real, right? Even if you were just joking, they're going to be real people. Yeah, they're actually real people. Okay. With these side boys. All right. Oh, yeah, man. Yin Yang Twins. It's been such a long time, dude. All the memories, man. Oh, my God. They were a revolution. Yes, they were a revolution for their time. Okay, man. Seriously. Like, not joking. We want to shift on over to, you know, CoinMarketCap. Oh my God, it's the CoinMarketCap screen. Holy crap, man. $120 billion market cap, man. $63 billion market cap on Bitcoin, man. We're down 3.64%. 6.46%. Blah, 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 blah. Great, man. So informative. Got it. Thanks. Thanks, dude. I don't know, man. It's been a crazy year, man. Been a crazy year, and I'm finally gonna be doing something different. I'm breaking the monotony of my standard schedule of just streaming every single day for 7 days a week for a year. Right? I'm gonna be doing things. All right. GT, what's the outlook we're expecting for Bitcoin? 35-37 seems reasonable, and then after that would be 3270, right around there. Okay, there you go. John Legend, you want $100 million market cap? Wow, man, what is it? What's in it for you, dude? Did you take a bet with your bookie about that, man? Sweet. Okay. Let's go to Litecoin. To the US dollar pair now. All right. Can it be? Can it be? Dude, come on. Let's see it happen. Let's see the magic happen. I know the color sucks, man. Not that good. I don't normally use these tools. I normally just, you know how I do it. I'll just draw 1, 2, 3. But I don't know, man. It just looked good. So we've reached and acquired that target 2655 to 2725, which would make it the discernible right shoulder of the potential inverse head and shoulders pattern. So this is where we can maybe make a jump in. What?
Big chain doing things.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. That I am, dude. That I am.
Mitre is about to break out of a downward sloping channel.
It was kind of like I'd already broken out of that channel, but kept back testing the top trend line of the channel that was once a critical resistance became support. That breakout was pretty much when I met Princess Riley, right? But yeah, man, very, very soon, like tomorrow, the move will be happening, right? We already had bullish divergence. It was crazy, man. It was crazy. So thanks that man, man. 25 died, man. It's sad, man. I thought Montana would be here tonight to challenge you. Hey, 31,000 HP, dude. Are you gonna take down the boss, the 121,000 HP boss? He's been boss for like 3 days now or something, dude. 3 days, maybe 4 days. Just been sitting there smoking his cigar, Montana, man. So about Gareth Basage. Oh, Princess Riley, did you hear your name? Holy crap. Evidently Princess Riley said she's going to be getting rowdy out there, so that will be very interesting to see. For everyone, it'll be like a documentary. God, Michelob Ultra, just too light, man. Too light, too lacking in flavor. I don't know, man. Not enough alcohol content. It's not worth the price of admission. I don't believe, I do not declare. Alright, so let's see if this can play out, man. If we had a measured move, if this ran up, you know, if we could break this neckline, you could see a crazy move to the upside and see like 50 bucks. Yeah. But again, it's all potential, and it might very well not play out at all. Alright? And that's what we call potential. How about a little Ripple, man? We looked at Ripple, man. I guess we can look back at it, I guess. Going on back to Ripple, man. Circling back around. Okay, man. Sorry. No, I don't think you have any kind of inverse head short. I don't know, man. Like, look. I do know that we have some support here. We've already approached it, right? Hit it once recently, 33.9 cents. But the lowest low I think you can go is 32.4 cents. All right. So anyway, I think in the short term, we had a very small broadening bottom pattern. We broke out bearishly, measured move, the widest areas of the pattern would put you at 32.527 cents. All right. Very meh volume on the breakout. So trying to hold above the 200 MA right now on XRP. You're glad you could help me, Princess Riley? Is that true? Are you glad? Are we still bearish, James? So, I mean, there's reason to believe we could continue selling. Okay, there is reason to believe that the selling pressure could continue just because we're not technically oversold, but we're close to it. We're just really weak. We're like 32 on the RSI. And yeah, I guess we are starting to show a little bit of bullish divergence. A little bit, you know, on the 4 hour. But we have broken a critical trend line that is down sloping on Bitcoin. And I don't know. I'm trying to answer questions while I'm not looking at the chart, which is not good for anyone. Okay. What is this? My cult compound has to be 100 miles in circumference as to accommodate lottery ticket purchases in the neighboring state, man. Yeah, dude, of course. I think everyone knew that, man. That was common knowledge, Luke, dude. All right. Good God. OCN's pumping, man. Wait, why has no one said anything about BCN coin? It got delisted, sure. Sure. But why is no one asking about it? Why is no one asking about BCN? I'm just wondering, because it's kind of a big deal. Alright. Anyway, dude, Target's 32.5 cents or so. All right. That's it. Cool, man. Cool. Let's go to gold again. The real gold, not the short gold. Let's go to the daily. So you can truly see what's happening here. Gold seems to possibly be in a potential slanted, complex, inverse head and shoulders pattern. All right. This is Bulkowski stuff. All right. You're not going to get the tool to show you. All right. But, you know, I mean, the thing that happened today, we are now reaching overbought territory, very close to golden retrace at 1287, just 10 off. Breaking out of an upsloping channel might not work out. Okay, might not play out. We might hit this 618 and then sell off, but always a chance, because every time we sell off, we're making higher lows. So this shift in momentum is very real. It's evident. The shift in momentum has been occurring really since 2013 to now. Okay, the lower lows, lowest low, then the lowest low hit in December 2015. December 2016, 1 year later, made a higher low than the previous low, and then now in August, July, higher low than the December of 2016 low. All right. See if we can keep it rolling, dude. Measure move this pattern. If we'd ever break the neckline, could put us way up here. Holy crap, 1655 or something. All right. OCN's going to take over, DJ, man. It's over, dude. It's already over. They've already conquered this world. OCN always pumped, man. Number one America's favorite Capricorn, man. Yes. CCC, P. Probes, man. There's no telling, James L. It sometimes correlates and sometimes doesn't, okay? Could be also self-fulfilling. There you go, probes, man. There you go. Big if true, but also probes true if big. You get that. You get what I'm saying, man. Alright. KGB Kappa. KGB Appa. That was good, man. Thanks for the 183 people still tuned in. As we're just looking at gold, man. Looking at gold, trying to shift and turn things around, right? Oh yeah, NKN's the hot new coin, man. Totally, man. Totally. Oh. Alright. Man, I can't believe tomorrow's already here. Okay. Some people know what I'm talking about when I say tomorrow's already here.
Have 1 Bitcoin at prices of a year ago or 1 Bitcoin at prices of 5 years from now?
Wow. Would you rather? Wow, that's a good question. I would rather have prices from 1 year ago. Quote me on that, all right? Because what I could do with that money, store it away, keep reading the charts. Okay, we will see a trend reversal on this stream. It will be slow and methodical. It will take time, but we will certainly see it. And the problem with the retail investors, they have a difficult time realizing a shift in reversal into trend, which I think we've very well seen a shift in reversal in trend on the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, I'll be very surprised if we have not. All right, so anyway, yeah, I'll take the money. I'll throw out the speculation, and people will be like, "Oh my God, that means Ray doesn't believe in Bitcoin, man." It's like, no, man, you're literally giving me a would you rather. And 5 years from now, literally no one knows. But you know what? Something people do know: the price of Bitcoin last year. Therefore, I'm just fulfilling the risk aversion in me. All right. It's like the beast in May, the risk aversion in May. All right. What about you? Would you rather? How would you answer this question, man? Okay, putting you on the spot, dude. Thanks for the $15 though, by the way. My bad. You asked a question, I just went right into it. Much love, dude. Okay, but so many Irwin coffees, dude. 3 Irwin coffees in the jar, man. Do we have a record on how many Irwin coffees have been in this jar before? Okay. That's right, Mitchell Low Vulture, dude. Getting close to being done. Getting close. What's up about Corrigan, man? He says Bitcoin to the moon. Now. That's what he says. Alright, man. We'll see. We'll see if it happens. Slight bullish divergence on the MACD. On the 4 hour. Let's be good to it. What if we back test? Okay. So, Mr. Corrigan, if you could please, you say we're going to the moon. Since this is a technical analysis show, give me your technical reasons why. Why will we technically break to the upside now? All right. Thanks. What might be? It might be an all-time high. Coffee Crypto, 3 Irwin coffees in the jar. It very well might be a record. Okay. I think that's pretty freaking cool, man. KG, dude, we'll never forget the KG rising wedge, coinciding variables. Bearish breakout like the next day after we analyzed it and hit target, and then it pumped. Probes made a killing on that. It's awesome. Anyway. I don't know, man. Bear flag. It just seems like we broke a critical area of support. It was once a resistance, then support, is now resistance again.
I think if you had spent any time with my buddy Ved Moon Boy, you would know the answer to that question.
Well, I mean, like, we're not asking about VET, right? We're asking about where's Bitcoin gonna be. And, I don't know, man. It seems like you would take the 5 years from now. Maybe, right? Not the 1 year, right? The 1 year ago. Based on the future, dude, right? Maybe? Good Moon Boy, would you rather? Is that right or wrong? 5 years from now. That is my final answer. Is that actually like 1776? So, no, certainly, obviously. What? Purple line across the top? What are you talking about? John Legend, purple line crossed the top. Right here? This one? Right, Choman? What about it, dude? How do you look for the butterfly pattern? We call this blue a bearish cipher pattern. Created in the late 1930s. This pattern is just testament to predictable patterns or history repeating itself, right? It's really Fibonacci with history repeating itself. So there are guidelines, right? X to A is one impulse down. When you were to retrace from X to A, you want your B, a retrace, to be between 38% and 62% of the way. Then you break down, okay, and you make a lower low in your previous low. And from A to B, you want to retrace around 120% of the way. It's really a 1.17. I mean, I can give you the exact number on it, man. Memorizing the criteria is not as easy as you would think. You just have it with you when you're plotting these 113 Bed Moon Boys.
Became doing things.
Nice.
I'll bet you $25 that you're correct.
Boom. I won't take that bet. Bed Moon Boy, I decline. Holy crap, man. I don't understand though, but you just tipped 25, so does that mean that I was wrong or right? I just don't understand that. So thanks for the freaking 25 and crazy world we live in. I mean, look, yeah, it makes sense. Like, if you don't care, right? If you're not looking for the sure thing, of course, going with a fortune-telling 5 years from now price is great, man. That's great. You know, no risk. You're risking what? You're risking the certain, for sure, 20 grand. You're risking 20 grand of potential gains for the unknown, which I'm sure tons of people would take that bet, right, all day. So yeah, man, that is very, very true. So with a bearish cyber pattern, when you sell off and fall below the A, right, you're making a lower low. From A to B, you'd fib extension, and you're looking for between 113% and 141.14%. So 1414, you're looking for, like, so for instance, we would be looking for anything above a 1414 fib extension, okay? Looking for this stupid wick, man. There you go. Anything above a 1414 fib extension. We were at a 119% fib extension, okay? And then from when we finally decided to bottom out here, we would run a nice huge impulse up, and from B to C, we would fib extension between 127.2% to 200% from a high to low. You can see how far we retraced, right? We retraced 190% of the way, which is fine. That's completely fine. And then from your X to C, you want to retrace around 78% of the way, right around there. We retraced around 80% of the way from your high to low with a fib. That's what. See, fortunately, with the beauty of computers and stuff now, you don't have to do it manually, all right, anymore. These literally show you and tell you, so you don't have to worry about using my fibs like I did. You don't have to do that anymore because of this. It's so cool about this tool. All right. So it makes it to where you don't have to master the fibs as well, but my God, you definitely want to master the fibs before you start getting into cipher patterns, okay, man? Please just learn your fibs and then graduate to harmonic patterns, all right? It's in your best interest. Just saying, man. Anyway. Where? So that's it, dude. That's it. Would I rather have a free boat or a mystery box, Dustin Witt? Probably a free boat, man. See what I'm saying? Like, aversion to risk. The mystery box could be a freaking Count Chocula box or something, right, man? Empty Count Chocula box, right? The moon is 589 million miles away, and then the sun is 94 million miles away. Boom, Greg Morgan, boom. It could grind down on this channel until it double bottoms. It broke the channel. It's done, man. It's already done. Making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, what is in the box, man? I just told you, Dustin Witt. Now tell me what was the mystery box, and don't cheat and say because I picked the free boat, don't make it extravagant and awesome, okay? So you already have to have the answer to the mystery box on your side. So I said free boat, what's the box? Dustin, let me know. Sure thing, Blue Man. Sure thing. S&P 500. Looked at it earlier today. Day stream. Crazy shot of the upside, man. Crazy move up. Okay. I mean, I find it just pretty fascinating that we broke the upside and literally based on nothing but being oversold on daily. 19 on the RSI. That's extremely low. I mean, we've seen that before. Right, we've seen 19 on the RSI here, but then made a lower high and then dumped again. Hey, look, lower high is incoming. Reversing the upside, I was talking to Larley. We were talking about Bollinger Bands. The algos are programmed, and quite possibly the reason why we broke the upside is because we were just now stemming outside of the Bollinger Bands. And we know that 95% of trading is done within the Bollinger Bands, the outer bands of the Bollinger Bands on the inside. All right, and yeah, we might begin our retrace, no telling. but look how far away you are from your 20-day moving average. 2,600 essentially is your 20-day moving average, and your 50 is just slightly above that at 2,678. And that means we could run all the way up and touch that again before selling off if we wanted to, or just tomorrow we start selling off again, man. But you can see it looks like we almost pretty much had a false breakout of this crazy uptrend we've been in for some time. How about some time? How about 10 freaking years, man? Almost. There you have it, dude. So we like had broken out of this, but have somehow found a way to get back in and back test the area that was a support. It's now support again. Let's see if we can maintain prices inside this channel. Whew. What is this famous San Francisco study on elementary school children? They were given a choice between getting a chocolate bar right away or waiting 3 days for 3 chocolate bars. And what happened, dude? But I don't know, man, because 3 chocolate bars is a literal number. It is we know what it is, right?
Have another $20 tip worth of mystery tip.
Oh, man, I feel like I'm screwed either way, man. I feel like I'm screwed either way, because I feel like if I say the mystery tip is going to be $1, but if I say the $20 tip, it'll be $20, right? I'm going to go against my better judgment here and go with the mystery tip, okay? The mystery tip for $2, okay? Or $3. All right, give me the mystery tip. My body is ready, man. Holy crap, man. Y'all hear it? Y'all heard it, man. I'm about to say I'm screwed, and this might play into the reason why I would take $20,000 on Bitcoin instead of the price 5 years from now, right? But I'm going against the strat. I'm going against my strat and saying mystery tip and gambling. Chaz Garcia says, thank you for explaining that, Mitch. You're the man. You taught me so much throughout the stream. Chaz, I love you, man. You've been around forever, and I'm very grateful to have you part of this community, dude. Seriously, you're freaking awesome, man. Thanks, dude. And just thanks for letting me know you're here and you're actually getting stuff out of the stream, man. That's a really good positive reinforcement for me to continue doing what I'm doing. The moment I find out I'm not helping anybody, man, there's just no point in me streaming anymore, right? So my whole goal is to continue investing in myself and continuing to try to educate and be a positive influence in you and everyone else's life. Okay, man, that's my whole purpose of streaming, all right? Protect people from getting wrecked, too. Yeah, of course. That just goes hand in hand. The moon is 1 mile away. Fresno's, man. Yes, I can see it, man. I can see it. You know what is it? The naked eye can see around if you have the right visibility with the weather and stuff. 32 miles. 250, man. Gambling pays, man.
That moon boy tipped $250. Gambling pays Mitch.
Can we play this game again, Bet Boy, man? And he has destroyed Montana as the boss, and he has supplanted Montana and become the new hype boss, as you can see above us, man. All right. I feel like when I look up like that, I feel like the Star Wars peoples at the very beginning of Episode 4 when they're getting abducted by the Star Destroyer, and it's making all the noises, latching onto the ship. They're all like, "Oh my god, man!" So anyway, this is the nerd in me, man. All right, so dude, that moon boy, thanks so freaking much for the 250. I can't even believe the gamble paid off, dude. It paid off. Holy crap! All right, thanks, man. Finish this one on that. Holy crap. Vet Moon Boy, I will defer to you. Okay, should I get another beer or go with a mystery drink? And it may not be alcoholic. Take your pick, man. A beer or a mystery drink. I've turned the tables onto you. Oh, how the turntables have something. All right. So Sweet, man. Jeez, man. Type 2 diabetes cover crypto, man. What about marijuana, dude? Marijuana, does that work with diabetes, man? Burn him, Dustin. Burn him. I did get burned, technically, okay. Some people need immediate gratification. Well, I mean, like, you know, the chocolate bar, again, they're apples to oranges, right? Because the 3 in 3 days is different than Bitcoin in 5 years, because that's all speculative. We know for a fact if I waited 3 days, I'd get 3 chocolate bars, right? So it is different, apples to orange. It's like you might get 3 chocolate bars in 3 days, but you also might get nothing. That'd be more appropriate. Thanks, Matthew Monroe. Appreciate the support, man. Glad you liking the stream, dude. Thank you, dude. Hey, what's up, Dez? Silver. Okay, let's look at silver, man. Here's your silver. Let's look at the weekly. Why not? Here's your weekly. Ugh. Man, this didn't go back very far. XAG to USD. Anyway, man, I think we could find some sort of channel here. Won't be too bad. So we're just kind of going sideways, aren't we? Looks like we broke out. Jeez. Doesn't line up very well at all, man. Seems pretty good. It's not bad. Either way, man. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, dude. Dude, man. You were so close, man.
When it comes to alcohol, I'll take the sure thing.
Alright, we'll take the sure thing. If that's the case, give me like 2 seconds. I gotta run downstairs and get one. Okay. Not the whiskey drink. Hold tight. I'll be right back. Not just literally 2 seconds. Okay, man. Okay. That's brother, man. What's going on in here? What's happening here, man? Anyway, you know what it looked like? It looked like some sort of descending triangle, did it not, man? It really freaking did. Yeah, dude, like, look, man. Huh. It was like this, dude. Beautiful, dude. Freaking beautiful. Cheers, though, Bed Moon Boy. Cheers, dude. Yeah, some sort of weekly potential double bottom moon, potentially. Music's still extremely loud. Holy crap. Hey man, right around that 1618. That's where it was, man. Weekly. Yes sir, yes sir. Who was it that said that? Who was it that said that, man? Okay. About the bullish divergence and the double bottom? Yeah, dude. Yeah. But the thing is, the double bottom, like, not really that good, because a double bottom, you just broke out, okay? Measure move's nothing. You're probably, when you back test this trend line, it's going to be probably the measure move. That's crappy, right? So you have weekly bullish divergence. Actually, let's be technical here, right? When we bottomed here, right here, you had a candle body close. When we double bottomed or whatever, we made a higher low than our previous low, which is okay. It's bullish convergence. When you made your second low, you had positive momentum, which is also bullish, right? So, though you have broken above your 20 MA with some confirmation, look at the volume. Volume is tapering. You're like losing volume, making higher prices. What? It's just nothing here, man. Just nothing going on. So, measurement of this pattern? No, we did not hit the measurement of this pattern. It was much larger. Let's try to 279. Let's just do it like this, man. Okay. Yep, not even close, dude. Not even close to making a measured move of a descending triangle. But it was really nice, man. It really was nice to see us break out bearishly of the pattern. Okay. Some could argue that it was a symmetrical triangle, right? 1 and 2, right? We broke it like this. I could see people saying that. Still makes plenty of sense, right? Plenty of sense there, too. We're just, going back, looking at another support here, okay? Anyway, this could have had something to do with the macro crapping itself, right? If the macro would have continued on doing well, you probably would have hit that measured move pretty easy. All right, so anyway, we broke out, we're coming in, and we're going to back test, probably going to back test 1569. When you hit 1569, keep your eye on it, see how we respond on price action, right? To this trend line that was once a support is now going to be used as resistance that is confluent with the 50-week moving average. Holy crap, right? How about it, man? How about it on your silver? There you go. Anyway. Oh, hey, man. Hey, the trolls came out. Holy crap. It's okay, man. They can be mad all they want. Love it, dude. Oh, the boat was the right answer. Dustin Witt. Excellent, dude. Excellent. Yeah, it was Dustin Witt who was saying something about divergence, right? I mean, daily... Yeah, we definitely had divergence, right? Extreme bullish divergence here. Yeah, didn't have it on the MACD, only the RSI, but it was beautiful on the RSI, was it not, dude? Yeah, very, very nice. All right, Mr. Hamdy, good luck with your OCN. Good luck, dude. Don't break the seal on the wall, Des. Exactly, dude. Anthony, that was so 3 days ago or something. All right, DJ Joe Public, have a good one, man. Awesome. Okay. We'll go back to Bitcoin, man. Back to home base, all right. My God, man, we've looked at a decent amount of stuff tonight and today. Total, I mean, we've looked at so many different assets between the 2 days, between the two streams, night and day. All right, so very happy about the efficiency of our streams we've had today. It's been nice. Platinum, hey, Michael, that's a good question, man. Good question. Let's actually just go to platinum right now. Screw it. I've analyzed this like 3 times now. All right, platinum. Weekly. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful downtrend. Okay, this is platinum. It's super duper bearish, all right? But you're showing some bullish divergence. Okay, you're showing bullish divergence. Let's see what else. Do we have any fractal going on? Somewhat, right? Some sort of falling wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't really have a confirmed one yet. You need to have 5 touch points, and you don't have that. Okay, you just have 4 touch points right now, so it could be a wedge of some sort on platinum on the weekly. All right, look where you are, man. Bottoming off in July off of your 2008 levels, dude, before this insane run. So insane. Ran a, what was it, 78, 62% retrace, something like that, from your highs, and the sell-off has continued since August of 2011. Platinum, sugar, coffee, I think they all topped out there for some reason. All been selling off bad. There's platinum, man. You got weekly bullish divergence. Technically, you had some weekly bullish divergence. Lower low, higher levels of strength being oversold. Sorry, just cleaning this up. Perfect. Platinum, dude, platinum. Trying to pick a precious metal. Yep. Well, gold, man, shifting its momentum. It is shifting its momentum. It's pretty clear on the chart. A potential slanted inverse complex head and shoulders pattern. All right, so we're looking for precious metal. Gold's not bad, man, not bad. All right, Leo, let's see it. April of 2019, he says $1,000 Bitcoin. All right, man, we'll see. All right. $400 less than gold, Michael. Yeah, dude, it's ridiculous though. It's ridiculous. Okay. Looks like the whole market's just kind of stalling right now with Bitcoin, waiting on Bitcoin. Jeez, just can't hit that 618. I don't know. What is stopping us, dude? Okay, this December 9th candle body high close is preventing us from falling lower. That's what it is right now. Just propping us up. Wicks over here included. There you go. Let's see it, Greg Morgan, man. Let's see it, dude. All right. Well, seems things have kind of died off. Makes sense, right? On a weeknight. And with that being said, hey, you know, I got some beer left, but I don't know, man. Kind of like just hanging out. So, okay. And it seems that Moon Boy has retired for the evening. Okay, so thank y'all so much for the love, support, contributions, freaking everything. Y'all are amazing. Thanks for the new subs, the old subs, the likes, the dislikes from one person. Thanks, buddy. Really appreciate that. I know you are. And it's just weird. You're really, really weird. Okay. So, I will be back sometime. And that's all I can tell you. It's a nightmare out there. Bones 420, I'm so sorry to hear that, man. We're getting a crazy weather system right now where I'm at. So, dude, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay. Please be good, dude. All right. And thanks so much for tuning in and saying hey. Love you, man. Love you, Melissa. The IOG's peoples. But I'll be back sometime in the future. Very soon in the future, but maybe not tomorrow. So, that's hard, weird to say, but until next time, respect the T. A.